release of Wish 3.7.06, we changed the way the formulas are built slightly, and we also added some functionality to the window in that you can now create archives of formulas. We'll talk more about archives in a moment. Let's just go right into the screen where you build the formulas, and you'll be able to see the changes that we've made. So this screen is the new Formula Builder screen. It's very similar to the prior one, although we changed the order of the fields that are available on the screen to make it easier to follow, perhaps, if you haven't used it before. So if I was to grab a formula like any formula like that, here you see it looks very similar to the way it did before, other than we moved the buttons. They used to be down at the bottom, we moved them up to the top, and just changed the ordering. So now you enter your code first and your section second. The big thing that we did add is the ability to create archived formulas. What this means is that as your funder may change their specifications for statistics, you're able to make edits to the formulas as you always have. But now you can create an archive copy of your current formulas before you change them. This has the advantage that you can look back on those formulas later on, or perhaps years down the road, or even if you want to reprint statistics from a past year. To create archive formulas, you actually access it with this button right here. And if I click on that, you will see it will pop open this screen. And if I want to make a new archive set, for example, if I want to archive this under the code of 2019, and then I can type a description in here, formulas ending March 2019. That might be a suitable archive. And then if I wanted to create that now, I would just click on this button that says create an archive. That will actually take all of my current formulas and make a duplicate copy of them, but tag them with what we call an archive code. Now I've actually already done one a bit earlier in here with a slightly different code. Now the nice thing is that when the archives are made, you can still access it. Now what you're seeing here is you're seeing the current formula for this code, and I can make an edit to the current formula. When I'm selecting my formulas now, as you've always been able to do, you click on the code drop down, and you can always select the section that you want to see. You could do that before, but in addition, that we added in Wish 3.7.06 is the ability to choose between seeing current formulas or archived formulas. So for example, if I wanted to see the archives formulas for this particular fiscal year, and I only have one archive set built, but you can imagine that you may have more as time goes on. And if I wanted to go and look at a specific formula from that time, I can select it off here. Now the difference with an archive formula is you cannot delete it and you cannot edit it. You can just look at it. So you can see up here in red, it tells me that this is actually the archive formula for Res Days B under this section. And again, if I wanted to choose the same code but look under my current formula, you see the difference is that I can come in and I can make edits to this formula. So in a nutshell, that's how you archive make an archive of formulas. So when you do make archives, you don't archive a single formula, it will archive all of your current formulas at once. So if I was to do that, if I wanted to, for argument's sake, if I wanted to create an archive for this year ending March 2018, seems a little bit odd that I do that, but I can do that now. And if I click this button, you'll see that it's made an archive of 148 formulas and created an archive set labeled 2018. So again, when I come out to my selection list down here, I can choose either current formulas or I can choose archive formulas, and now I've got two different sets that I can choose from. So that's how you archive formulas, and also how you can retrieve the content of the formulas in here. Now what's in addition to that is anytime you print a statistical report, or even the report of the formulas, whenever you click a print button from now on, you will have the ability to choose that you want to print based on current formulas or based on an archive set of formulas. So if I wanted to print my formula list, for example, from that year, that's the way I would click OK here, and that would go on to the next point where I can print. Similarly, if I was going to print statistics report, and I generate my statistics report, most of you are familiar with the auto stats, where you would choose a particular year and a month. Now, if I'm choosing any of these choices here other than detailed, it's going to pop up as soon as I click print. It's going to pop up and ask me, are you wanting to print the stats based on the current formulas or maybe an older archive set of formulas? And that's the way that will work. So that's available on the auto stats. It's also available if you do happen to use longhand stats. Clicking on this print button in the bottom will do the same. Will give you the same pop-up here again, where you can choose between current formulas and archive formulas. Okay, so in a nutshell, that's what we've added to the build 3.7.06 of Wish. Has to do with building the formulas and also the addition of a very unique feature to be able to archive formulas. I hope you've enjoyed this video.